Uric acid is a very common problem in a case of chronic kidney disease, and it is a very big challenge for the patients to control their uric acid and maintain them within the normal limits. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neha, practicing doctor at Bharat Homeopathy. In today's video, we will discuss in details by all the ways in which we can keep our uric acid within the normal limits. Uric acid, as we all know, it's a waste product. It is formed by the digestion of proteins that are rich in purines. So if the uric acid are not within the normal limits and they have been on the higher side or very high in the body, they can cause certain complications in the body. Two of those complications I'm going to talk about. For example, one, excess of uric acid can form kidney stones. Now, if you are already a case of kidney disorder and on that you get some extra stones in your kidney, that can be a very difficult situation for the patient. So obviously we do not want this condition. Therefore, the uric acid should be within the normal limits. Complication number two, excess of uric acid forms certain crystals, and these crystals gets deposited in your joints. So this causes an inflammatory condition, arthritis. In medical terms, we call it gout. And in such condition, patient experience joint pains. In the starting stage, the patient experiences pain in the smaller joints, for example, fingers, toes, and if the condition is not regulated at time, it can become a bigger problem. So in order that the uric acid problem does not cause more complication in a kidney patient, it is important to keep a check on it. So we are going to explore some lifestyle modifications by which we can keep a check on it. A dietary modification is a very good way by which we can keep our uric acids within the normal limits. For example, you should cut down on all the non-vegetarian sources of protein, specifically red meat, organ meat, and fish. All these non-vegetarian sources of proteins are high in purine, and if you consume protein that are high in purines, obviously the metabolic waste will be higher in uric acid. If you cut down on all the non-vegetarian sources of protein, you should also be aware of all the dietary alternatives that you can take. You can take a diet that is good in protein and yet low in purine. For example, moong dal, that is green gram pulse. Also, you can take whole grains like wheat, millets, oats. They are very good sources of energy for kidney patients. They are going to keep you energized for the whole day. You will not feel less of energy or lethargic, and also your uric acids will also be maintained within the normal limits. There are certain lifestyle modifications that a kidney patient can include in his life, and he is going to feel better with it. One, he can start with short morning walks. You're going to feel energized and very relaxed with it, or any other form of relaxing technique, for example, meditation or pranayams or any other kidney friendly yogasans. We're also going to bring a short video for all of you so that you can get to know more about kidney friendly yogasans. Never underestimate the efforts that the patient can put in the treatment and by which he can get good results. So if your uric acids are not within the normal limits, do keep a check on them. Make sure that for a very long period of time, they're not on the higher side or raised. That can form certain complications in a kidney patient. For more details, you can get in touch with our team and we will be there to help you. Thank you.